Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let us revise the topic Homes of Wild Animals. Animals need a home to protect them from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. A lion lives in a den. An elephant lives under the shade of a tree. A giraffe and zebra live in grasslands. A monkey and koalas live on trees. Hope all of you would have completed the activity which I gave in the previous video. Now, let us move on to the topic Homes made by animals. Some animals make their own homes to live in and protect themselves from enemies. Ants. Ants make ant hills from mud and live in it. Ants always live in colonies. Ant hills are piles of soil, sand, and clay. Ant hills are connected by tunnels. Honeybees. Honeybees make hives in narrow opening in a rock and on branches of trees. Honeybees construct hives by chewing wax until it becomes soft. Wasps. Wasps make nest by chewing wood fiber and mixing it with their saliva to create paper pulp. They spit the mixture to create a nest. Animals such as rats, rabbits, and mongoose dig holes underground. These holes are called burrows. What are they called? Burrows. Wild rabbits are found in woods, forests, meadows, and deserts. They create their own burrows by tunneling into the ground. These tunnel systems are called warrens. WARRENS. They also have multiple entrances for quick escape from enemies. Most snakes live in holes made by rats and moles in the ground. Shall I tell you an interesting fact about earthworms? Earthworms are commonly found in soil, eating live and dead organic matter. Earthworms are known as farmers' friend as they till the soil and make it fertile for the plants to grow. Earthworm dig inside the soil and make tunnels underground. Let's recap the lesson today. Ants make ant hill from soil, sand, and clay. They live in it. Ants always live in colonies. Honeybees live in hive. Honeybees make hives in narrow opening in rocks and in branches of trees. Wasps make nests by chewing wood fiber and mixing it with their saliva to create paper pulp. They spit the mixture to create a nest. Animals such as rats, rabbits, and mongoose dig holes under the ground. Wild rabbits are found in woods, deserts, forests, meadows. They create their own burrows. Most snakes live in holes made by rats and moles in the ground. Earthworms dig inside soil and make tunnels underground. They make the soil fertile. Homework. Draw and match the animals and their homes. This page will be available for 1 minute. The next page is a video observation about varieties of ant. Now, children, observe this video and learn about different types of ants.
Ants. Ants are among the most amazing and fascinating creatures in the world. There are about 12,000 species of ants around the world. Ants are social insects, which means they live in large colonies. They can live in underground tunnels or inside a huge mound of soil. An ant can lift 20 times its own body weight. There are 3 different kinds of ants: the queen, the workers, and the soldiers. Leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants snip off pieces of plant material and carry the leaf bits back to the underground nest. The ants then chew the leaves and use the partially digested leaf bits as a substitute on which to grow fungus, on which they feed. Fire ants. Fire ants defend their nests aggressively and will swarm any organism they perceive as a threat. The bites and stings of fire ants are said to feel like you are being set on fire. Carpenter ants. Carpenter ants get their name because they build their nest in wood. They are omnivores and will feed on everything from tree sap to dead insects. Harvester ants. Harvester ants gather and store certain wild grass seeds or cultivated grain. They store the seeds in underground chambers and bring them up on sunny days and spread them out to dry.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you in the next class.